Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You guessed it, it is time to take this off again. This took way longer than I expected, and I kind of don't want to take it off, but I have to. I think I start here. Oh my god, I didn't know it was all one piece now. I usually throw the prosthetics out after I use them, but this is kind of cute. I'ma save it. Now I gotta take the rest of this off. This is nightmare fuel right here. Alright, I'm pretty much done, but I ran out of contact solution and I don't know whether I should go to Target like this or leave my contacts dry for 15 minutes. Help.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. Alright, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off.
Guess what time it is, guys? It's time to take this off again. I'm gonna take this contact lens off because I can't see anything with that one eye, so I'll be right back. Okay, it's off, and I smeared this part, but I don't care, because, yeah. No, this isn't my best look, but, you know, I had fun with it. Oh god, that looks so weird. Come out! Okay, the teeth are not coming out individually. That would be really cool. So I'm gonna take this whole thing, as a whole piece, so have fun watching that. Lovely. I'll be right back because I'm gonna take this whole thing off. Look at that, it belongs in the trash. Good day, everyone.
Get unready with me, Ice Queen edition. I'm gonna take the headband off. I literally sprayed my hair white. Take these contacts out. I can see. I feel like these are gonna be hard to get off. Oh gosh. This is literally hot glue that I made look like an icicle. Shouldn't hurt as bad on my forehead. Gem right there. Get this glitter off. Or not. I'm gonna go shower and get this out of my hair.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out, so like if any zombie movies need like a zombie, y'all know who to call. I like do want to take it off, but I also kind of don't. Oh, I hate wax so much. Right, no, there's latex somewhere in there. There we go. Nice. I'm sorry. This is my new look. Going to work like this tomorrow. Get ready. Just kidding, I would get fired. Whoop. This should be nice. Never mind. Alright, there's a big piece right here. This is literally why I hate wax. It just does not come off. I will also be posting a tutorial on this look on my YouTube at some point. So check that out if you want. No pressure.
Get unready with me, New Year's edition. This took me a hot minute to do, and I've had it on for literally like 10 seconds. Let's wipe off these beautiful, luscious, glittery lips. Oh. I'm gonna spray some of this. Oh, here goes the fireworks. Right eye. Left eye. This towel is amazing. Let's get rid of the forehead. Thanks for watching.
Yo, I don't want to take this off. What do I do in this situation? Like, I need to take it off. I took pictures of it. Like, ripping that eyelash off. Literally, pain. It's 11 p.m. and I should start getting ready for bed, but I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I wanna have this on. I'm not gonna sleep all night. So I thought I would share the pain on TikTok because that's what TikTok has been for me. So let's do it. I can't. It's okay. We got this. Okay, there we go. That wasn't. I'm fine. I am so tempted right now to just redraw the part that I erased, but self-control. Let's do this part right here. Yes, like nothing ever happened. I did not spend 3 hours on this. No, I didn't. Nothing happened. I had no makeup on. Now I understand the people who like to draw on canvases other than faces, because then they don't have to take it off. It just stays. I'm sad. I'm gonna go eat or something.
I literally look like a bug that just got hit with a fly swatter, but I'm gonna be wiping on my makeup. Well, I'm not actually wiping on makeup. I wiped off my makeup and put it in reverse. But if I could wipe on makeup like this, that'd be a pretty nifty skill. But anyways, I'm throwing this bad boy in reverse because y'all said that girls would give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on. Please. I'm begging you.
Well, hello there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Now, I have no idea why I decided to cover up my nose and then give myself a nose on top of the latex. But we're not gonna talk about it. Pretend like nothing happened, okay? It's time for the good stuff. Boom. Tooth gone. Boom. All of them. Be gone. Tooth. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's do it. Didn't hurt. I can finally breathe. I'm gonna go shower because the makeup wipe wasn't enough, but you have a great day.
Take off my makeup with me, Capricorn edition. This took me so long to do, and I've had it on for literally 5 minutes. Okay, I have eyelashes here, and here. Let's get these contacts out. This is depressing. I'm depressed. No, not the horse. This is a look right here. I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. If I blow hard enough, these teeth will come off. Oh no, they're... I didn't think it would actually work. We're not gonna stop there, though. Okay, this is gonna take too long. Oh, I'll save that one for last. I'm pretty happy with how this makeup came out, but... Oh? But I'm really tired and I'm really hungry. Ow. So we just gotta... push through. Oh, I almost forgot about the nose again. That really popped off. DIY blackhead removal, anyone? Just kidding, please don't do that. Wow, don't I look beautiful? And your favorite nightmare fuel? Alright, I am now clean, but my skin is definitely stained. Oh, and also I uploaded a full YouTube video on this look, so go ahead and check that out. The link is in my bio.
Take off my makeup with me. I don't really know exactly what this is, but I feel like it looks cool. Let's get these lash boys off. I guess I'm just gonna start pulling this off. My eye is watering. I look very interesting right now. Let's try to wipe this off. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I am Dream, as you can tell. A very terrifying version of Dream, but I am Dream. I'm gonna start by taking out my contacts, cause, ow, they hurt. I mean, like, they're just more uncomfortable than anything. Now it's time for the smile. Oh boy. Oh, nice. I did not think that this is what my Tuesday afternoon would be looking like. Let's take the rest of this off. I would say nightmare fuel, but the original look was way scarier than this. Whoop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go shower.
Take off my makeup with me. I love how this one turned out, and it high-key makes me want to dye my hair red. Snatch! Let's get these bad boys. Oh. Get the lashes. Now this should be fun. Oh, girl, she's not budging. Ow! No, wait, it stayed in one piece. The neck is always the most painful. Ow! Selling this on my Etsy. Get the pearls. Why does it look like that? The other side. Going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. And we just hope for the best. I don't know if my eyebrows are ever coming back. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna be taking off my makeup using whipped cream. I did the zombie look using a full face of NYX Cosmetics. Every product that I used is shoppable through Walmart.com and the link on my TikTok profile. Just hit the shopping bag icon and all the products will be there. And now, for the whipped cream. If you guys are wondering, wow Sid, why are you taking off your makeup with whipped cream? During the live, you guys picked dares for the loser to do, and unfortunately, I had to spin the wheel and this is what I gotta do. Yummy! Let's get some straight from the bottle. Oh, right there. This feels wrong. But does whipped cream work as a cleanser? Get the neck. Tell me why that's kind of working. Whipped cream is not a good cleanser, but NYX Cosmetics is a good makeup line, so go check them out.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It is time
To take it off again.
Yeah. This was a lot of fun to do.
Yeah.
It was so much fun.
My teeth are black.
Lucky. Mine are yellow. This is what you get for drinking 5 cups of coffee a day. Would you like me to demonstrate the latex?
Yes.
Okay. You just find a side and you go for it.
Does it hurt?
No.
Oh.
Is that in your hair?
Yeah, it is.
Ouch. No. How does that feel?
Doesn't hurt at all.
Would you like to take the other side off together?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Beauty at its finest.
Tears.
Face clean.
Tongue stained. Take off my makeup with me, Zombie Minion Edition. Okay, I genuinely don't think anybody has done this before. This blood under my eyes is so sticky. Oh God. If this isn't commitment to good content, I don't know what is. It's kind of coming off. My ears are stained yellow, but I'm gonna go shower.
Lucky for you, my life is run by liquid latex. I'm assuming you mean the satisfying part is taking it off, so yeah, let's do it. I gotta tell you though, Mr. Krabs was not feeling this one. I was though. I'm sorry, I gotta be quiet though, my siblings are asleep, and I'm not trying to traumatize them any more than they already are. I'm starting with the nose. Brother, I just wanna go to sleep, get off my face. That felt so bad, yet so good. Little holes. And I gotta serve the nightmare fuel. Now wait, this part is really satisfying too. Oh, so clean. I'ma go wash this off. I am now clean and ready to go to bed. But you guys have an amazing day.